student or someone who has feared math for a long time now, you should watch out for the MBA Skill Builder Batch for CAT 2023. It will help you to grasp the basics better.
So what is this batch series going to offer to you guys? Well, there are three things. Number one, every day from Monday to Saturday at 9 p.m. you will get one recorded video covering one entire topic. Number two, every session will be followed by an educator curated practice exercise. So we will give to you, we'll teach you a topic and thereafter you will get a practice exercise, and that practice exercise you can take up and you can solve properly so that you understand that you have conceptual clarity and that whatever concept you have learned, you have also reinforced this. Number three, and this is very important, that every week we will have one live interaction with all your educators. So your educators will get together with you and we will discuss all your doubts, all your issues, everything that you have thought about. Okay, so I hope these three batch features will be really helpful to you.
In this batch you can build your foundation for MBA preparation and also देखो इसमें include हम रख रहे हैं, जैसे तुम लोग कॉलेज के फाइनल ईयर में हो तो वहाँ फाइनल ईयर में प्लेसमेंट के लिए जो एप्टीट्यूड की नीड होती है वो भी इंक्लूड रहेगा. जो फियर तुम लोगों को VRC क्वांटिटी एप्टीट्यूड का रहता है वो दूर हो जाएगा. डिटेल में सब कुछ पढ़ेंगे सो दैट इनिशियल स्टेज किसी भी MBA लर्नर की जो रहती है वो फिनिश अप कर पाए.
What are you waiting for, guys?
If you have or have not decided what to do yet,
Start with this batch preparation and you will be confident enough to make a decision to reach your goal. Enroll now.